Peterson. I'm a sales consultant at Phillips Chevrolet, and today I'm standing here with Penny and Chris Hall. They just purchased a 2013 Chevy Malibu Turbo 1LZ, and they're going to tell us about their experience with Phillips Chevrolet and me.
Experience was spectacular. I would recommend Phillips Chevrolet, recommend Mark and everyone here to everyone out there. Best service possible.
Very good time here. It's one of my better experiences at a dealership.
Well, we appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Business.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.